Let me show you a cleaning process that's clean your Oriental rug without the scrubber, the centrifuge machine, or the dustbuster. A cleaning process, then I call it through. A cleaning process, then it is gently. Guarantee color will never run. Guarantee no fuzziness. And guarantee in writing urine odor removal permanently, naturally, without depositing any unpleasant smell into your rug. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Enjoy the video. Any comment, please below. The odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Flood the rug gently. This cleaning product, it is eatable. They taste bitter like the Dead Sea. However, it's going to kill the bacteria naturally. Dead Sea. I invented this cleaning product specifically to clean Oriental rug from urine odor. For this reason, I call my company PetPeePee. Makes sense? Take a look how the vacuum take a big role in the cleaning process. The vacuum extracts all the natural cleaning product from the top through the rug, through the pee-pee, through the urine crystal, and flush everything. All the urine crystal, then it's hide deep inside all the nuts and all the foundation of the rug. Everything's vacuum through the rug and fall down to the pen. On the way to the sewage, the tube show me what's coming from your rug. So all the cleaning product that you used, all the pee-pee, the pet accident, the dirt, the dust, the soil, everything's flush out, wash out through the rug with organic, natural cleaning product from the Dead Sea. This is the secret how I got 5-star reviews on Google and Angie's List. Thank you for watching PetPeePee. Take a look in the end of the video how I fold the rug the right way for shipping. PetPeePee, nationwide service for cleaning the most beautiful Oriental rug. Thank you for watching PetPeePee.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.